Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use VPN in Windows 11. So if you want to use the local VPN, then you have to configure it into the settings. But if you want to use it through an app, you have to simply get that app and you will be able to use it. So if you want to use the local one, then you have to go to the settings, and after that you have to simply go to internet option, and there you will find the option for VPN. Once you click onto this option, and after that you have to simply open it up, and then you have to add a VPN connection. You have to add all of the information manually if you're doing it locally, but if you want to do it through an app, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. Once you get there, you have to search for the VPN, or if you know any specific VPN, you can also search it on browser, can go to its website. From there you can download it. On the Microsoft Store, it is reliable that it works well. So we have a lot of one. Make sure you use the one that has good rating. So if I open it up, you can check out its rating and the downloads. So you have to simply click on to get. It will get installed. I already have it, therefore it is opening. Once you open it up, it will just take a while to load, and after that it may show you the option to buy its subscription, but you don't have to worry. It also have the free version as well. So it will just take a while into the loading. Once the loading gets done, then it will show you this page. Now you don't have to worry that you have to upgrade to the premium one. You can click onto that arrow, you will get back, and then you can select any location you want to, but some of the location comes under subscription, otherwise you can use it. So to connect it, you have to click onto that option, and after that it will just take few seconds and it will get connected and it will turn on. And if you want to stop it, again click onto it and it will stop. So this one works really well, and with the help of it you can go to any website. So that's how you can use VPN in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.